discuss about the trigonometry basic formulas. How to find out the trigonometry formulas. Okay, listen. First of all, cos 2 theta, sin 2 theta, cos 3 theta, sin 3 theta. How to find out these formulas? Simply, please listen. Okay. What is the cos of a plus b? Listen. Cos a, cos b minus sin a, sin b. Okay. First of all, you can find out cos 2 theta. Okay. Here b is there now. B plus you can take a. B is equal to a. Listen. Cos of a plus a. Cos a. B plus you can take a also same. Sin a, b plus you can take sin a. Okay, now see cos a into cos a, cos square a minus sin a into sin a, sin square a. This is a plus a, cos 2a. Listen, cos 2a formula, cos square a minus sin square a. Okay, one more sin 2 theta is there now. Listen, what is the sin a plus b? Okay, what is the formula sin of a plus b? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now we want to sin 2 theta formula, but theta is there no, else both are equal, but instead b is there no, b plus we can take a same like that. Okay, now we want to sin 2a formula. How to find out this one? Okay, this is sin a plus b is there no, sin a cos b cos a sin b. This formula you know means this formula can get sin a plus b. B plus you can take a same sin a. B is there no, b plus can take a cos a plus cos a sin a. Okay, sin a is there, sin a is there, sin a plus sin a 2 sin a, cos a is there, cos a is there, both 2 cos a. What is that? 2 sin a cos a. This is sin 2a formula. Okay, next one more formula is there, sin 3 theta and cos 3 theta. Listen. Okay, sin 3 theta. Okay, this is you can written sin 2 theta plus theta. Listen, 2 theta plus 3 theta sin 3 theta. Already you know that sin of a plus b formula. Already you know that. What is that? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Listen, here 2 theta is there, theta is there. 2 theta means you can take a place, theta you can take b place. Listen, same apply this formula only. Sin 2 theta cos theta plus cos 2 theta into b plus you can take theta. Already know that a plus b same formula theta. Okay, already you know that sin 2 theta formula before I discussed it. Listen, sin theta formula 2 sin theta cos theta bracket. Already cos theta is there no, same you can write that cos theta. What is the cos theta? Before I discussed it, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Because sin theta is there no, you can write that sin theta. Okay, we want to value size, that's why you can do sin theta cos theta into cos theta cos square theta plus here also, but we want to answer sines, but cos is there, we can change that 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta, again sin theta you can write. Now listen, what is the sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. Now see, we want cos square theta value, we want this one, that's why cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. In this place you can write 1 minus sin square theta. See, 2 sin theta, in this place you can write 1 minus sin square theta. See, minus sin square theta minus sin square theta, minus 2 sin square theta will come, minus 2 sin square theta will come. Again sin theta is there now, same you can write sin theta. Listen, 2 sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta plus multiply sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. Listen, 2 sin theta is there, again sin theta is there now, you can write 3 sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta, again 2 sin cube theta is there now, you can add minus 4 sin cube theta. This is formula, sin 3 theta formula. Okay, before I discussed sin 3 theta, now we will discuss about cos 3 theta. First of all, already you know this formula. Before I discussed cos of a plus b. What is the a plus b? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now we will discuss cos 3 theta. Same 3 theta is there now. This one you can return 2 theta plus theta. Listen, a plus b same formula is there now, like that only. A means 2 theta, b means 3 theta. Same apply this formula. Okay, listen, cos a cos 2 theta, cos b cos theta minus sin a plus you can write sin 2 theta, sin b plus you can write theta. Okay, cos 2 theta formula already I discussed. What is that? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. So again cos theta is there, we can write same cos theta minus, what is sin theta formula? Already discussed, 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay, now sin theta is there now, you can write same sin theta. Okay, listen, cos square theta minus sin square theta, this is cos theta formula, sin theta formula 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, now we want to cos 3 theta formula, but question cos is there now, but answer also will come cos only. Sin is there, sin is there, sin is there, we will change that causes. Now listen, cos square theta sin square theta, listen, already you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We want sin square theta value. Sin square theta is sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, in this place you can write 1 minus cos square theta. Listen, minus also is there. Okay, now sin square theta is there. No, sin square theta place you can write 1 minus cos square theta. Again you can write cos theta. Next, multiply sin theta. 2 sin theta, sin into sin, sin square theta cos theta. Okay, listen, cos square theta minus 1 minus to minus plus 1 cos square theta. Okay, into cos theta. What is sin square theta? Already know that 1 minus cos square theta minus 2 into 1 minus cos square theta into cos theta. Okay, cos square theta plus cos square theta, adding 2 cos square theta minus 1 cos theta. So now see, cos theta is there now, multiply same like that, minus, first you can multiply 2 minus cos square theta into cos theta. 2 to multiply 2 minus 2 cos theta. Again cos theta is there. No, multiply cos theta. 2 cos theta minus 2 cos cube theta. Again minus is there to multiply. 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta minus multiply. Minus 2 cos theta plus 2 cos cube theta. Listen, 2 cos cube theta, 2 cos cube theta, 4 cos cube theta. Okay, minus cos theta is there. Another minus 2 cos theta also is there. You can add minus 3 cos theta. This is cos 3 theta formula. Okay, next time once I will do some mathematical formulas, easily methods. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe and please like.